Hi everyone, so today for dinner I decided to try to make a quesadilla with the cottage cheese wrap recipe that I made a few days before. I tried to make that recipe again today and I will try to see if a quesadilla is possible with that wrap. So first what I did was I seasoned these chicken tenderloins because it's what I had left over. I was looking for chicken breast, didn't find it. So I ended up adding some cumin, salt, pepper, some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder. That's about it, I think. But anyway, then I threw these on the skillet and I cooked them for about 7 minutes or so. They're done. We're going to chop these up and put them in our quesadilla. I did it exactly the same way, except I removed the Italian seasoning and I added cumin instead, just a little bit of that, and then I just cooked it up for the 35 minutes, but I think I went down to 33 because the little corner started to burn and I don't want it to crisp up too much. So this wrap actually has 10 grams of carbs, so now that it's cooled down, I decided to cut it in half and just use half for this quesadilla. But I have this on a pretty low setting, but this skillet like heats up really quick. But anyway, this is the butter. It has browned a bit, but that's okay. I can deal with that. So I am going to prep it in here because I don't think that the wrap is that strong. It definitely held better together last time. I don't know if you see all the cracks. And the other side completely fell apart, so that's not good. So I quickly added my chicken. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this on the slower temperature, add the cheese and everything and cover it so it'll melt that way and fold it over later. I've also added some, or I'm trying to add some cream cheese because I like the creaminess that cream cheese provides. It doesn't have to be a lot, but I do want some on there, so I'm going to battle this and see. I have a bad feeling this recipe is going to burn a bit. I keep lowering the temperature, but it keeps smelling a little bit gone. Like it's getting to that point. I totally did that on the wrong side. But once it melts, it might not matter too much either. So anyway, I'm going to spread that out. That'll work. And then let me cover that up. Now it's the moment of truth. It's been on for just a few minutes. Let's see if I'm able to fold this over. Oh, alright, it's not too bad. It is a weird looking quesadilla, but man, if the flavors are there, that's all kind of that matters to me. I didn't really fold it over the right length, but oh well. It'll be a weird omelet. We'll call it a weird omelet, but it looks kind of good. I'm going to let it cool a bit and then I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, so here it is. The plate is a little messy because I did not want to bring another plate out. One more thing to wash. Also, when I do recipes, I kind of use whatever I have at home, and so sometimes I can never repeat the recipe or I forget what I did, and so these videos do help me go back and look at it. If it comes out good, great. Sometimes you just have to try and hope that it comes out good and not gross enough that you can't eat it. Okay, so I'm just going to try a little corner with some pico de gallo. I added the pico de gallo because I like it and it adds good flavor, but also it, well, that's pretty much it. Let me try it. That's really tasty. Would I say it tastes like a quesadilla? No, because of the tortilla that I made, or wrap or whatever. It has a bit of the eggy flavor, I guess, or at least that texture of like a very thin omelet. But that's tasty. That's tasty. So, there you have it. It was an easy recipe to make. You can always add more stuff, guacamole, avocado slices, or take away something if you don't like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what other quick recipe you come up with often. Only if it's on keto, because that's what I'm doing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I'll see you next time.